我想呢一种帅帅的uh kata the reason why some of my videos that you guys see, I know you guys probably think that what's that on their feet? Why is it red? I'm gonna show you why it's red. Okay, where's the red coat? Oh, she's fall. The red coat. Oh, not bad. This is the red coat. Red coat. Spray on horses, dog, repair shootings, suiting, protective, fights infection. This is help for chicken feet too. Your chicken feet is ugly, you need to use this red coat. Okay, use this for chicken feet because your chicken feet looks ugly. If your chicken feet looks ugly, then you put this on. Okay, you put this on. It'll make your chicken nice and straight. The scales will be nice and straight instead of snake scales. Okay, this is where I cut chickens first. Okay. 我炒呢一炒小小的呢。